What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to lay down some vinyl floor. Yes, we are back again with the vinyl flooring, you guys. I love vinyl flooring. I already explained why I love vinyl flooring, but a lot of people are new to the channel and maybe they want to put down vinyl floors. So I will explain again why vinyl floor is good and laminate floor may not be good for you. We'll get into that later. Politics. All right. So if you've been in Home Depot, oh no, wait, rewind. If you have been in Lowe's and if you've seen this SMARTCORE, all right. If you've seen this, then you landed on the right channel because you are going to see how to install it today. Well, I don't know if I'm going to install it today, but I will be ripping the floor up. This is the old sticky vinyl floor from ages ago. All right. This house was built in 2003, and obviously people in their house, they don't update nothing in their house. They don't even change a light bulb. So watch out there when you buying a house, you guys. You need to start checking for this stuff. But anyways, this is the SMARTCORE. This is a nice vinyl flooring from what I've seen. Now, I did do a tile tour, a tile store floor, a tile floor store tour. A store that has tile floor in it, a wholesale one. And they have good prices, you guys, but we winded up going with Lowe's for the reason being my wife liked this color right here. I was going to go to that store that I went to that has the floor as wholesale, but she likes this color. Now, if this was a little bit thinner, I would have told my wife no, but this is about the same size as the one I have in the basement, so I'm not too worried about it. So I'm going to go ahead, pop it open. Now, I bought this about 3 weeks ago. So usually when they say when you buy like vinyl flooring, they said let it sit out for room temperature for about 3 days or so. So it's been in room temperature for like 3 weeks. So here we go. And y'all get a closer look when I start laying down the tile. But here goes the color right here. So this is the Monroe oak. It's like a multicolored floor right there, multicolored tile. They're a little bit long, but you know, it is what it is. This is probably one of the most debatable things. How am I supposed to install my flooring? Am I supposed to install it going this way or install it this way? Me personally, it don't matter, okay? Well, it matters like when you come in the entry of your home, but this is a shotgun bathroom. So we are going to put them long ways, all right? I'm not going to put them like this, all right? If I put it like this, then I will have to cut a lot of pieces, and I don't feel like doing that. So I'm going to install it the long way, and it will make it look longer, the bathroom. We got that important information out the way, and this do come with a pad. I believe the pad is 1 mil. So you do get a pad in there. If you already have a padding on, I'm not going to go buy another pad. You know they have extra pad. So if you want extra padding, that's up to you. I'll just go with the padding that's already on here. And it actually feels better than the one I put in the basement. Feels nice and thick and sturdy. Another important thing, like I said before I start getting into this demolition or whatever I'm doing. All right, so I know a lot of people out there, they would put this vinyl floor right on top of the old vinyl. That's a no-no. And I'm gonna tell you why, because you see how this old vinyl right here is popping up? This is the old plastic vinyl. You see that? Now, if this was glued down, like really, really, really glued down, then yeah, you might be able to get away with putting this vinyl on top. I'm going to rip all of this off because with heat, and look, it's just ripping off anyway. So I'm gonna rip all of this off. I have my tool right here that I had for many years. You do not want to install your vinyl floor on top of that, because it will just pop your vinyl floor up. So it won't look good. It won't look good, you guys. Now, that's what I'm gonna do. If you want to put it on top of your sticky floor, do what you want to do. You know, I'm not going to stop you. I'm just trying to teach you a good way on installing this a proper way. Now we got all of that good stuff out the way. Let's go ahead, rip up this floor and start installing the new floor. I'm probably going to be fast forwarding most of this anyway. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I got this tool from Amazon. It works amazing. COREtec. All right, you guys. So let's get back to what we was talking about since we took everything out the bathroom. I'll put I will put a link in the description, but if you go in Lowe's, you definitely will see this, okay? There's no doubt about it. They have it on the shelves. This is SMARTCORE right here. This is a vinyl. This is not laminate. So the difference between laminate and vinyl is plastic, okay? It's full plastic, fully waterproof. And when I mean fully waterproof, I mean fully waterproof. Laminate is compressed wood, okay? Don't let nobody fool you, blah, 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 blah. Now, the top layer of the laminate may be waterproof. If they say it's waterproof, then the top layer of the laminate is waterproof. The rest is compressed wood. Compressed wood is like a bunch of sawdust and it's mixed all together and stuff like that. And it expands, okay? So if you have a flood in your basement or if your basement stays damped, then I would not recommend to put laminate. I would recommend you to put vinyl flooring down. All right, now some more things, all right, before we get into this. Now, this is all right, so this thickness of this is 6.5 mil thickness, and the wear layer, I believe the wear layer was 12. I can't remember, but the wear layer was 12. Now, the higher your wear layer is, the stronger your vinyl is, the top of your vinyl. So if you have a higher wear layer, it's good for if you have high traffic in, a lot of people coming in your house, a lot of people wearing shoes, they scuff up your floor, or if you have dogs, cats with claws and stuff, it's stronger protection on your vinyl. All right, so I believe this is 12. You have wear layer that goes up to 20. I believe it goes up higher than 20. I can't really remember, but you do have high levels of wear layer and you have high levels of thickness. So 6.5 millimeters is the thickness when it comes to your whole vinyl right here. All right. And then your wear layer is basically the top coating of this. Kind of hard to explain, but you know, I did a lot of research before I even did my basement in the vinyl in my basement. So that's why I kind of know this stuff. All right. This is not like I've been studying this for years. Like I did a lot of research before I put this down in the basement, because at first I was going to put carpet in the basement, but then I was like, you know what? Let me try vinyl out. I was going to do laminate, but the one of the flooring guys in the store told me everything I'm telling y'all. So basically, knowledge upon knowledge, each one teach one. All right. So I'm telling y'all what a flooring person told me. So yeah. And plus, vinyl is easy to install, you guys. This is not hard. Now, we are going to get into the hard part. When you're doing flooring, you guys, or any type of construction, and let me not mislead y'all, I do have some experience in construction. I used to work construction. My uncle used to have a business. All right. So I did used to work in construction. And I have done plenty of renovations with my other house. I did a lot of renovation work. So I am not new to the block, all right, when it comes to this stuff here. Well, as far as what I'm about to tell y'all. Now, when you are in construction, there is important things that you need to have, all right? One is this, your brain. This is the most important thing. And number two is this, okay? You need this, and you need this, and you could do anything, any construction, anything in your house, as long as you have this, and as long as you have this. All right. Now, why do you need this and why do you need this? Well, one, you need to sit down and think of what you're about to do. All right. And while you're thinking, you have to measure what you're going to do, because if you don't measure properly, then you are going to look, your floor is going to look wonky. Okay. It is what it is. All right. Now, some people may not notice your mistakes, but other people may look and be like, who the heck put this floor together? Or who the heck put this tile together? So same thing when we did the tile. Y'all know I measured it. I had the line level out there, blah, 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 blah. All right. So why do I say measuring matters? Well, I'm going to show you. So let's go ahead and get into it.